The Trillium Health Partners' new Mississauga Hospital is one of the largest healthcare infrastructure projects in Canadian history. But now the Ontario Glass and Metal Association says the province has made a costly mistake with one of the contracts involved. In a letter to Premier Doug Ford, the association argues that a key facade contract worth around $140 million was awarded to a U.S.-owned firm that's reportedly outsourcing fabrication work to Mexico. They say the contract should go to an Ontario-based contractor to keep jobs and tax dollars in the province, especially as economic uncertainty looms.
With everything that's been going on with the American tariff situation, it's just really, really poor timing.
The association's president, Blake Sanders, says his members are not happy, especially after U.S. tariffs on Canadian goods raised to 35% overnight.
When it comes to American government contracts, they have a clause in them called BABA or BABA, and that is Build America, Buy America. And that is attached to pretty much every single American government-funded contract. Why do we not have that in Canada? We should absolutely have that in Canada. We should be putting Canada first.
Meanwhile, the NDP said in a statement to City News, it is unacceptable to send $140 million to an American company when we need every public dollar going to keep people working here at home. Supporting workers and business starts with a plan focused on build it here, buy it here, ensuring public dollars support local jobs and strengthens Ontario's economy. Liberal leader Bonnie Crombie also shared her distaste, telling City News in a statement, it's hard to believe Ford would give the contract to a U.S.-based company at a time when the U.S. is hitting Ontario with growing tariffs and the aluminum sector. This is exactly the kind of contract that should be creating Canadian jobs, paying Canadian wages, and strengthening our local supply chain, says Crombie. We are in the middle of a trade war, and now is the time to build and buy local. This comes on the heels of Premier Ford confirming the cancellation of a $100 million Starlink internet contract, officially ending its deal with the Elon Musk-owned SpaceX.
It's unfortunate we had to cancel that, but I can't deal with a guy that, well, I guess the divorce happened between him and Trump, but the guy was attacking our country, and I just couldn't do it.
Meanwhile, the association says it's not just about glass and metal, it's about keeping Ontario jobs in Ontario. In Mississauga, Catalina Gillies, City News.